Vino. Soul Monsters, nigga. BSF gang. Crooked Christie, stand up. Hey yo, look. Open arm, the streets welcome me back. Gun in my lap, riding in the trap. Banging where the felons is at. Swing the gat, get your melon crack. Get tax fuel, selling packs. Get jacked in 2 seconds flat. Been everywhere, homie. Look. But Lord know that I'm a sinner still. Mama worry cause she know I'm still in the field. Put clothes on my homies' back and pay my sister's bills. Want a temp on my life, thank God I'm living still. Look, I got your half-breed ass naked. All cause you lazy and half-stepping. Baby mama tripping, she only get half of me. Woke up, rolled over, fuck my bitch and put her back to sleep. These streets tried to hand me defeat. You ain't felt no pressure, 100 bands in the streets. Look, I got sand on my feet while I'm drinking mojitos, tanning on the beach, nigga.
What's a trap? I really had it tied in a knot from putting mine in a pop and moving sly as a fox. I know the feds want me confined to a box. 3 lawyers though, so I won't get a fine from a cop. Y'all not told us just thieves. We open up keys and still smoking puff trees out of coconut leaves. Gym Star razors left them boulders cut clean. If your money bag light, you ain't sold enough dreams. Rappers throwing shots, I was tanning on the beach. What you know about jumping off a brick and landing on your feet? Every house I trapped out is still grams in all the sinks. Every whip I ever pushed is still a cannon on a seat. Real shit. From one block we all felons. Gun bottom all jealous. Done got them all jealous. Why these new niggas think they all legends? I'm the butcher, gotta compare my shit to Saw 7. This for my dog locked up in Comstock, who coming home with a new scar on the ball spot. We dope boys who fed quarters to small blocks. Get them every month and headquarters your broad spot. Let's go.
They call him the butcher.